Yeah.
I got real.
Yeah, we finna. I don't do drugs, I don't do lean, I don't pop no perks. High as fuck in the club, I ain't got no shirt. That shit for the birds, I keep me a perk. I get high as fuck, I be out my body. Off the drink, I can't walk, looking like a toddler. I got your bitch doing backflips like my name Lil Tyler. I'm with your bitch, she gon' fuck, that's when she get wilder. Can't take the dick, she be crying, got her tapping out. When she get up, pussy leaking, walking around the house. Fans walk up to me with that creep shit, I'ma lay him down. He thought I was finished, ain't it? I creep through the night, I creep on the flight, I creep through another city, think about changing my life. Alright, my homeboy just called me and told me to come outside. He got his truck done. You know, look, I don't call it a white boy truck, but you know, a lifted kid, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. We about to see what he got cooking. We about to do a little interview on his truck or whatever. Ask him some questions about it and shit. So yeah, we're gonna get that done correctly today. I'm about to see if my camera charged so we can get some good footage off the camera. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the phone quality, but we're gonna get this right, you feel me? And yeah. If y'all want me to drop a song, let me know. I got some music already cooked up. It need to be perfected, but you know, I could do that real fast. Just let me know if y'all want that bitch dropped. I'm gonna go to the studio and cook it up, cause I be making them on my phone, so you know, yeah, let me know something. And y'all, let me know, y'all rate his truck out after the video and during the video as I'm showing y'all the car. Rate the truck 1 through 10, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let me know if y'all want me to do any more trucks, cause all his homeboys got trucks too, and I'm thinking about building me a truck. I don't know when yet, but it's coming. It's gonna come. Not soon, but it's coming. You feel me? So yeah, turn me up and do that for me. And make sure y'all subscribe and hit the like bell. Do this right here for me. Hit thumbs up button right now. Thumbs up button ASAP. You feel me? Hit the thumbs up button. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this because I need y'all support. And yeah, I'm telling y'all this. Yeah, you feel me? Hit the thumbs up button. Turn on the post notification. Turn on the post notification bell. You feel me? Right now. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because y'all know I lost my channel and shit, and I'm trying to get it back right. Turn me up. Bro, this scat pass by here every day. This nigga pisses me off. And he do the same thing. He don't even move. Like, he got a scat for no reason. Nigga be pissing me off. Literally. Bro got a scat. Like, he had a scat for so long. I never seen this man push the bitch. Like, I understand not fucking up your car, but like, you got a fucking scat and you never hit it. You feel me? I'm just saying, bro. Like, that's crazy. Cause one time, like, he tried something. He was trying to show out a little bit, and then he did a fishtail at the fence. Oh, that boy looking good. Hold on. Let me see if I can get the camera. Hold on. I see that boy. I ain't gonna show y'all the car yet. I ain't gonna show y'all yet. Yeah.
I got real.
Yeah, we finna video your ass today. He got that bitch cooking. I ain't showed him yet.
Nigga, you got video with me.
Yeah. Y'all, this Martin Thompson. What's your what group you in? Your truck?
Stuff with the bag.
Alright, we gonna show y'all. We ain't gonna show y'all the truck yet. Hold on. We're gonna show y'all what group he in and shit. This is shit. Exclusive leaner. Go add him. For sure. On Snap. But yo, we about to goddamn we about to show y'all the truck, and I'm gonna have a montage of that bitch. Goddamn. What made you goddamn build your truck?
See all the people. Yeah, see all the niggas got that truck looking up.
Looking good, ain't it? Hell yeah. Now, what's the next step to adding to your shit?
Airbag.
Yeah, Lord.
Yeah. A little kid was like, you know they about to ban this? I said, yeah, it's a date. You talking about, oh, I'm just letting you know. It's like the front of the pool.
Mind your business, bitch. That bitch hard. And when you got the new rims? You said, huh? Yeah. And I seen the kit when you was at the little thing in Aiken. I had seen, yeah, I had. No, I had seen it on your snap. Matter of fact, I had seen you had passed me. You and Larson, y'all was going to Aiken.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. So goddamn, these bitches hard. Is that hot?
When I passed you.
Oh, you did? Yeah, cause you ain't had them. Right now, that boy got everything in that bitch. What you say? That's messed up. How it's messed up? How I messed up? Yeah. They got a 4K Trey up there. That boy, 4K Trey done it. Yeah, don't play with him.
What the hell you got there? Ain't nobody there?
He playing GTA and shit.
Fucking go to KFC.
I been saying I'm about to go to KFC.
Nobody outside no more.
Hell nah. Everybody got down going to college or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I mean, shit. If you do that shit right, that college shit'll work. It depends on what you go to college for.
Smart as hell.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You did something to the inside of that bitch?
I'm about to go Thompson.
Yeah.
It's like 3 inches hotel.
Like right now? It is?
I might have 3 more.
Oh, you added. Okay. These called rock lights, ain't it? You got the damn rock lights and shit.
I got 3.
Yeah. Yes, Lord.
It's like a whale coming through.
That bitch ain't gonna look good, ain't sound good. Goddamn, niggas gonna be like, what the fuck is this? Spaceship, nigga?
If I don't do that, I know I gotta get no bags for that started.
Yeah.
Always go my blood. Boy, I was at Aiken. I was at the gas station. At the gas station. Goddamn, me and Larson talking. Man, Aiken Shell came in there. Yeah, me. You put a tech manager on my truck.
Oh, what?
Put a tech manager.
Oh, shit.
In my own lane, we can't burn. So no that you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go be like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shine. I'm in the beat with you, lady. Keep it. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the citizens. I let her run through a million, I run with a million. Let's stop on the bed.
You got the high.
Pretty, then fuck with the city. That run with the best. Smoke out the pound of chill. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening.
Yeah, it's on TikTok. Why don't you put it on TikTok?
For real?
I'm 54 inches in the front, 45 inches in the back.
They gotta be level, ain't they? Get your ass. And they be, I think they be like, your truck can't be this high off the ground or some shit like that. Sit your ass down. Like, they'll try to call your insurance company and shit. But, alright. Yep. We gonna goddamn. We gonna get goddamn. I said we gonna goddamn get a goddamn one Larson truck before he sell that
You
bitch.
didn't know I do rollers.
What's that?
Niggas make money off that.
That bitch smooth. That boy looking good, boy. Content with Martin. it sound good too. It's not too loud. It's mellow. That's hard. That boy gonna get KFC. Yeah, I made a video on his ass just now. It was just like a little smooth video. Nothing too. But we gonna, I'm gonna do a real video on his ass. But I'm gonna post this one though. I'm gonna do a real another video on him when he get the rest of his shit for real. That's just something smooth and slight. And I'm gonna go interview his homeboys. You gonna go with me? He said this weekend they having another car meet, I think, or truck meet. I think he said in Augusta. Sliding to the GA, nigga. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all rate his truck 1 out of 10 for now. He getting more shit put on. It's not finished. So y'all stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me know if I should rate everybody trucks, go to the car meets, rate their trucks, and interview them, and just talk to them and ask them questions about their truck and what inspired them to do whatever they did to their truck. You feel me? Y'all stay tuned, press the like button, make sure you subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. You feel me? And stay lit, you dig? Yeah.
A little kid was like, you know they about to ban this? I said, yeah, it's a date. He talking about, oh, I'm just letting you know. It's like the front of the little kid.
Mind your business, bitch.